It looked like a Christmas tree, but it's essentially a very a clean trade. I was really in control of what I'm doing. So sometimes it's really messy, but you know what you're doing. Okay, guys, good morning, everybody. We are having a really good day in the market. So market gap down. The volatility is very high, and Asia fell about 1.5%. Europe gained, so it's a little bit of a mix on the global markets. Everything gapped down for QQQ, IWM, and SPY. And we had a sell-off at the open. Eventually, we got a really nice bounce. And I traded TQQ on a very nice bounce through technology sector QQQ from 342. Brian took the same trade on TNA, which is the leverage ETF for IWM. So Qs were selling off. So at the open, they were really struggling to go through the VWAP. They were down about 2% right about now. And then they sold off. I really didn't trade at the open. Sold off. And then on the Qs, you can see my chart that 342.53-ish level I had on my chart. And let's go see where that one came from. So that's the QQQ daily chart. And you see back in April 2021, you come here, you see a double top. You can see on my chart very clear right now that there's a double top. And I had this double top marked in my level at around 342.53. You can't really get exactly the level around this area. Obviously, we had this huge resistance for for about a month. So I had this one, and Q sold off all to this level. One way of doing trading that, you can buy QQQ or you can buy TQQ, which is the leverage ETF for that one. So that's what I did. So exactly looking at the chart. So I don't have that level here because TQQ is trading in a different level. But I tried to start from 52.63 level, popped up, I got out and stopped out. And then I tried again, stopped out. So that was essentially, I did two trades on that. So let me see. So one trade, it was this one that I got stopped out, and another trade that was this one that from 52.20 popped up, added, sold, and then on the pullback I added, and then again on the breakout through the VWAP 53 I added and got out. And that's essentially these two trades that I did. It looked like a Christmas tree, but it's essentially a very a clean trade. I was really in control of what I'm doing. So sometimes it's really messy, but you know what you're doing. And again, it was all based on trading, based on Qs. So if you put these two charts together, I was looking at the QQQ and I was trading. So I was looking at this chart and buying based on this level. And I told if QQQ is dropping, I'm gonna get out of my TQQ. So you don't have this level here on this chart, but you see that this consolidation around this level, you can see it in TQQ as well. So I was exactly looking at this chart to trading based on that. Brian did the same one on IWM by trading TNA. Brian was looking at UVXY, which is the volatility index, and he realized that the volatility is topping out, and then that's the time that a reversal is happening for the indexes. And I did one trade on Apple, which I got stopped out at the open, very small size. I mentioned that it came up, I got stopped out. And overall, I had a $800 loss on Apple and a very nice profit on TQQ, and I still have all of these positions on my hand. I have a little bit of TQQ from yesterday on the other account and holding, but not something crazy. So here's my here's my TQQ on the other account, and obviously the back holding in TNA, unfortunately, here. So it's not doing great, but it's an honest work. That's it. So Brian, I know you traded the reversal with me on IWM, but you did another trade.
You mentioned you mentioned one of the signals that I used to go along was watching UVXY, and it seemed to double top, which is a measure of volatility. When volatility starts to go up, markets go down, and vice versa. So when I saw that double top on UVXY, I thought, okay, markets are probably going to start to turn to the upside. And that's when we caught the TNA trade. And you caught the TQQQ trade. The other trades I did that made a little bit of money with JD at the open and Lucid at the open. and I just literally traded just traded AA as you started to talk, just traded AA through 60, which I said that's where it was going.
Yeah, you mentioned
So
that when it was at 59, you mentioned that this is going to go to 60, and
yeah,
it did actually. You nailed it
yeah,
really nicely.
yeah, got it out at 60.03. So yeah, that was a nice way to end the morning before lunch
Yeah, that was really nice.
or breakfast, I should say.
Today, we do have Peter presenting in our Tuesday strategy about studying your trading. I mean, we are entering a bear market. I mean, we're not at the bear market. We're in a correction. But if this volatility, for new traders can be very dangerous. So don't look at these numbers and don't fool yourself. Look, it's hard. It's hard, especially in this volatility. So if you want to start your trading, Peter's presentation is amazing. Get you right on track. How to start your trading, especially in this volatile market. So it's at I think 8 p.m. Eastern time. Obviously, it will be recorded. Recording will be available for everybody, all the elite members. And if you have any question, just post it in the comments, guys, and answer that. And this, to be honest with you, all of my recaps are all about the day trading, not really about the swing trading. We were chatting about that. I'm more like a day trader, and as you see, I kind of suck at swing trading. But it is what it is. So it's not much, but it's honest work. Have a good day, and see you tonight in the webinar. Brian, anything from you?
Nope, that's it, everyone. Have a great rest of the day. Keep it green.
Perfect. Thanks, guys.